Hello. How are we doing? Hang on. Is that better? Sorry about that. How are we doing? Me, I'm just making sure everything's running okay. This is the first stream from the new place. There's data bytes behind you. Uh-oh. Alright. Green screens are dumb. I think doing that. It's been, what, 4 weeks? Since I last streamed, I think. Oh, well, thank you. Thank you, Greg. If you're on my Discord, you can see the lighting setup that I have. It's pretty jank, but it works. You kind of get this like glowing outline, but I think it looks a lot better than it did back before I had the green screen. You don't have to see my living area. Anywho, let's get back to game dev. So, 4 weeks ago, let's see, what were we doing with this? We were almost done with the forest level. We have to finish up implementing, I think, 2 more items. I don't know if we finished the shoulder pads, but so I gotta finish the shoulder pads, which allows you to steal an item from another player. And then what are the other 2 items? There's the backpack, which gives you an extra weapon slot, and then the satchel, which I would have to look at the spreadsheet because I don't remember what that one's supposed to do. But we'll be implementing those, and then once we do that, functionally everything in the forest level is done, but there's still no sound, so I want to add some sounds in. Just cover all my bases on the forest level before I move on to mini games, because I'll dig myself into a deep hole there. I like the little outline. Alright, well, I'll keep it. I mean, I don't know really what else I can do at this point without buying more lights to shove behind my desk. Because right now I just have, like, cameras here. I have a ring lamp right next to it, which, like, makes my face, visible. And then right behind me is where this green screen is, and there's a lamp right over there, that way. And it's just, all it's doing is shining light onto the green screen so that it works properly, But the bulbs on it are very bright, so I get this, like, you see all this white light on this side. Alright, let me go ahead and go back, since it's been 4 weeks. Remember where I was at before. Sure. Still don't have a title for the game. Should figure that out soon, probably, right? Let me turn this on. There you go. Now you can see what's on my phone, because this game involves phones. So let's just create a character here. I'm not going to do anything with customization. It does this every time I try to start the game for the first time. Like, doesn't recognize that I'm the leader. How about now? Now I'm the leader. Start the game. My character just walking through the woods. Counters a bad guy. That starts a minigame. Don't have any minigames made yet. Come back from the minigame. Enemy dies, I take damage, and an item drops. These are the basic shoulder pads. These are the item I was working on last time. I'm gonna roll for it. I rolled a 5, which is terrible. It's out of 100, and I got a 5. But I'm not going up against anyone, so I guess I get them by default. There they are. They equipped to my character in the game. I see them on my phone screen in my slot for my torso. And if I select it, I can use them, but there's nobody to use them on right now, so I think pressing use doesn't do anything but get rid of the item. Okay. It just repeats that loop. Now, right now it has an item dropping after every encounter. Oh. My phone's got messed up. There we go. Sorry about that. Right now it has an item dropping after every encounter. That's not going to be the way it is when the game's done. That's just for testing purposes. But let's go. I think the last time when I was working on things, I was making it so that the items, get equipped to the character whenever whenever a character acquires one. And I believe those aren't saved to the level state. So like whenever you go to a minigame and come back, it no longer shows those items being equipped. So let's see if we can figure out where that was at. Yeah, right here actually. Oh, weird. So this is where it saves it, or I should say it's saved on this value here, but we just got to pass it back in when the level loads up. So we can do this, plug all these in. Like that. Lots of strings. Fine. I don't think we did anything in here. Yeah, we haven't done anything with them in here. So I might need to reorder this, because I think assign hair should come after you check to see if there's a helmet, because the way the meshes work is that if a character is wearing a helmet, there's a different skeletal mesh for, like, they call it half hair. So it's like your hair peeks out from the helmet, but it's not like the full head of hair anymore. So I feel like that, if we assign, or if we check to make sure a helmet is equipped or not first before we assign the hair, then we don't have to go back and change anything. So I'm just gonna take all those away for now. Or why these are down here. That's fine. So we set the hair type, head type, body type, and gloves type because the boots originally are just the default boots. And so now we need to check these values. If they're -1, that means nothing is assigned, so they don't have anything. Then for the, what is it? The weapons will be numbers 0, 1, and 2. Helmets 3, 4, 5. Torsos 6, 7, 8, and then boots are 9, 10, and 11. Just because there's 3 of each type of item. So I'm trying to think of how to do this. These will come later. Or it doesn't matter. So I need to find, actually, back here. That's for using items. Where's equipping? Here we go. So yeah, we can just use this event. All right, easy enough. Yeah. So where do we go here? Nope, not this one. This one. So then we can say equip item and just do that a bunch more times. do one for each of these values. And we'll have to update that event because it's not accounting for if it's -1. And then we can go do it. We'll also have to change the assign here. Just a tiny bit. So we'll come back to that. First thing, we need to go here. We need to add a pin. We just use a default pin. Yeah, we'll just use the default. That's fine. So if default happens, we don't want to change any static meshes. We just want to, or I guess, if it's -1, I'm trying to think, like, if an item is unequipped, can I use this? Probably not. But yeah, we'll just say it differently for now. All right, so then we gotta go to, oh, where did I put it? What the? Oh, I'm looking at this one again. That's why. To assign here. So, not sure what I was doing here. Oh, you know what? I was probably setting this up before. So if we split this and we say player helmet, if we say it is not equal to -1, meaning the player does have a helmet. So if it does not equal -1, then we want to do something other than this. So if it equals -1, this is fine. We probably want to do this. But now instead of the full hair skeletal meshes, it'll be the half hair ones. That should be fine. Copy all of these. Maybe. And then we need you. Put you here. Into all of these. There we go. Now we just gotta change these to open hair, hair, half. That's what I want. And that should be it. Looks kind of messy, but it's fine. It'll work, I think. So that should be that. But here, nope, not here. Sorry. Here, where I equip the items, if I'm equipping a helmet, I need to change the hair at that point, right? When the helmet first gets equipped. So with these three, before I do this, I need to set hair. I need to set skeletal. Oh shit, actually, can I just, instead of doing that, can I just say assign here? Yeah, I can do that. Duh. Easy. Okay, let's try that out. See if that works. Oh wait, before I do that, actually, I need to go to the HUD here and determine what item is going to drop, because for some reason the logic here. So let's say 5. That's the high tier helmet. Yeah, let's try that. Play. Now I go back to the main menu. Nope, not that one. This one. There we go. And here, press play. There he is. So I'm pretty sure this helmet like completely covers the head, so you're not even gonna see the hair at all. But I gotta make sure of that. Gotta make sure no hair is poking out through the helmet. That might look a little weird. Yep, there's our helmet. If I roll 97, that's a good one. Nobody's beating me on that one. Okay, so I get the item. Ooh. His hair is still there. But the helmet is in the right spot, at least, I think. One moment. And then, oh, when he comes back, he has the right hair, though. Interesting. Why is that the case? Because we said, where was it? Right here. After it sets the helmet. Oh, because you know what? It's maybe I should. I shouldn't have done that. Nope. I did it again. Plug you into here. Because if I'm correct, it checks. Yeah, it checks the player data. So I gotta set the player data first. But then do this. And then go down here. Yeah. Let's try that again. Nope, not that one. Here. Give myself some different hair this time. Just to make sure it works with all the hair. Should be fine. Why is... Not sure why my phone view is only showing you the head icon. Not how I see it on my phone. I don't know. Maybe it'll update. There we go. Now you can see it, right? Roll the 94. Let's go. I'm gonna get rid of that for now. Sorry, changing settings to try and make my stream better. Okay, hair switched. He's got his helmet on. Looks great. So if I use this item... Okay, so I use it, he doesn't unequip it. Alright, let's do that then. Let's see. Where would that be at? That would be under under here, I have to use item, yes? So maybe we can do like we'll have another event here, just say unequip item. Yeah. And then we'll have an input for the item num. As always. Integer. Alright, so then from here we can grab this and say switch on int. Do I want to do it this way? Yeah, probably. So we gotta go through 0 through 11. Okay. 0 through 2. Ooh, that's gonna be interesting. Trying to think of how that would work when you have two weapons. We'll have to come back. For right now, I think we're just using. What hand are we using? That's we're using it. How does it get equipped? Backpack, helmet, weapon right. Okay, what's in his right hand? We're just gonna say weapon right. Set skeletal mesh. Oh, it's set. Never mind. So 0, 1, and 2 are all gonna be here. And you're gonna set it to nothing. And that's that. 3, 4, and 5, that is your helmet. We're gonna grab our helmet here. I'm gonna say set skeletal mesh. Nothing. Like so. 6, 7, 8, that is torso. Or I guess it'll be shoulder pads or backpack. Or belt, actually. So this one actually has 3. Grab all of these. Set skeletal mesh. Nothing. For 6. That's the basic shoulder pad. 7 is the backpack. This is the one that has to be difficult. Because the people who created these art assets that I'm using, they made the backpack a static mesh instead of a skeletal mesh. It's classified as a weapon. A static mesh. I mean, I don't think a backpack needs to be animated, but kind of annoying. Set skeletal mesh for the belt to nothing for 8. There we go. Move these up a little bit. And then for 9, 10, 11, that's your boots. So now for these ones, I actually have to set them to something else. I have to set them to the basic boots. So it's feet? No. What is it? Shoe? It's shoe. Yep. There we go. So then here we can say unequip item after all of these and just say item num. These ones we haven't put in uses for them, so I'm just gonna plug them in here now just to make sure that they work. But we will have to add uses for them later. The helmets and the boots I can't do anything with right now because we don't have any mini games and their uses involve the mini games. But we'll definitely come back to them once we have a functioning mini game. Okay, so that's good. We also need to, I think, well, actually no. Does use item do this? Let's see, does all that? Take damage. It does not reset the value. Okay. So we need to do that. Here. So then. Wait. No, never mind. Never mind. The player data. Set members and player. We want to set weapon 1, -1, and here we want to set not weapon 1 but helmet. Yeah. And then this one, instead of helmet, we want torso. Set it to -1, and that's for all 3 of these. Another one here. 4. And this one we want, oops, not torso. There we go. What? Oh. Got to plug in a reference. Alright. After we do that, we then have to call the set, or no, sorry, not set, update player data from player, because player's updating its own data. Just like that. And that should be it. So let's go back here, pull up my phone view. Do it here. Just this one. Yeah. That's interesting too. I'm looking at my OBS stats and it looks like my frame rate isn't completely tanking anymore. I wonder if that's due to my new internet or if that's because I moved my Unreal installation to an SSD. But either way, good. I hope it looks good for you too. I mean, it on my end it says it looks good, but I don't know what it looks like from your side. All right, let's try this. I rolled a 5 again. Very cool. Oh, there goes my frames. I'm now down to like 40, 38 frames-ish. Okay, got the helmet. Now if I use it, do I unequip it? No. Why not? Why didn't I unequip it? Unequip item. Unequip item is called on all of these. I wonder if I didn't set anything up on the client side. Let me check. Let's see. Open item menu, use item. Here we go. Yeah, see. I didn't do anything with any of these. All right. That's my issue. So, yeah. So, I guess I just need to grab this. And just do this. And this. Right, I can do website ID, current view item. Yeah. I can just do this with all of them. I give Angular a moment to recompile because it automatically does that, which is great. I think we're all good. Go back here. Try it again. If anybody wants to give me a name for the character that you see me testing with, just go ahead and put it in chat. I will gladly name him something else. Or her, if you want me to make it a her. Alright, come on. Good rolls. 60. Not the best, but not the worst either. Alright, so Comet's gonna get just fitted on his head. Just like so. And if I use the item, still didn't do anything. Why didn't it do anything? What? No. Wait, what? Did I do it wrong? They passed in the basic sword as the... Hang on. I can figure this out. So this is for item dropped, and then we say... Variable. This is for viewing item. Use item. We go here. Use item. Yeah. This dot current view item. This dot player helm. Yeah. Player helm is 3, 4, and 5. So why did it pass back in a 0 there? I didn't change this, but do I need to recompile this? Because I changed... Oops. Hold up. Try that. And then we'll try this again. Okay. Sure. You can have that hair. What do we get this time? 91. Keep that. Alright, got the helmet equipped. Now please. It's still not working. Character. Use basic sword. Why is it passing use basic sword in though? Saying use item. Where is use item being called from? Player data? No. Use item is being called from the... Where is it? This one. Connection manager, right? New player. Player left. Start game. No? New player, make later. Oh wait, this is the main menu one. I need the forest one. This one. Event graph, yes. Oh, this is called player role, player pass, game instance, end play, disconnect, the player role, player pass, use item right here. Function that gets called when this event is received. Use item goes here. Codes it, splits it up, and then it prints it out there in blue, but it also prints there in green. Gotta be difficult. Where's my output log at? This one. What? Go away. Where's my output log? That oh, okay, it's right here. Let's see. Connected. Access index 1 of array. Get all actors of length 1 in. See, it's calling use basic stored. Why is it calling use basic stored? Oh, you know what? It's not printing anything out here. That's my issue. Hang on. Gotta try this again. Make sure that's what's happening. You. No. You. Thank you. Okay. Big scary boy. Big scary boy dies. 78. I'll take it. Okay, so I gotta keep watch of what it outputs when I use the item. All right. Use. Okay, so it right here. Attempted to access index 1 of array. I'll get, yeah, of length 1. Why are you doing this? Why are you doing this? So it's calling the use item here, which is supposed to print this out, which it does, actually. It does print that out because that is right here. Second thing, it prints nothing. That's what's going wrong. Yeah. So I gotta fix that. So why can't I have my... Can I not put my outlog or output log in here? I can. Look at that. All right. So put this now and turn this off for a second. Okay. So it's reading in as that, as this guy right here. I can't zoom in, I'm sorry, but this right here is what it's reading in. And I need it to take this value and also this value from it, because this is just one string. So we take this, we go... Why are you nothing? What did I do here? Anywho, let's did I put a space here? Is that what it was? Do like a colon space? Sure. And then I think we want to keep the quotes because that's just how we did it. So then if we print out, what do we print out here? Oh, wait. I see. Okay, so let's do another one of these. You here, you there, and then we're gonna print out. Well, we'll go back. It doesn't matter. We'll do this one. We'll do that. See if it gets that right. And then also, let's make this one, make it like an orange color, just so we know the difference. And here, so from you, you, and we want this one, and we'll make this one like a greenish kind of color. Sure. Just to see those values. Something's not going right here. Let me turn this back on for you. There we go. Ugh. Need some more caffeine. Hey, Crypt Keeper, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. Hope you're here for game dev stuff. How's it going? It's going great. I am almost at the point where I get past a major milestone for this project, but yeah, let me run through it for you here. It's a party game, so think like, I guess think of Mario Party. It's not really like Mario Party, but in the same kind of style as Mario Party, I guess. There's mini games. In between the mini games, you're just walking around the board, but you play it from your phone. So, think of it if you've ever played like the Jackbox games or things like that. You interact with the game through your phone, so anybody can come along, just play the game. You know, you don't need to have controllers or whatever. And yeah, let me show you what I got. So, don't have a title for the game yet. Don't worry about that. Still working on it. What you're seeing above my head here, that is what's on my phone. Let me go back to my main menu here. Got a little basic like character customization thing, just because I know people like character customization. I'm gonna wear a dress this time. There's my character in the game. And because I'm the first to join, I'm the group leader. How long has it been in development? It's coming up on a year. I think I originally came up with the idea. I think that was last September. I don't know if I started development on it until maybe end of October, early November of last year. But I'm just a hobbyist. I don't plan on releasing this game. This is a game that me and my friends are going to play once it's done. If it ever gets done, that is. Anywho, if I start the game here, my little character shows up in the woods here, walking down a path. Nope, you need to release it. I would have to change some things, or at least modify what I have, because I have no intention right now of releasing it. One being, you know, I gotta figure out where all these assets came from. I just kind of grabbed them from places, but I don't have any mini games yet. I'm still working on the main level, but spending your time on it, at least throw it on itch. Yeah, I don't know. I've got plans for some game dev stuff I'm not ready to talk about yet, but it's not with this game. So item dropped. I'm gonna roll for it. I rolled a 20, which is a really shit roll out of 100, but player equips the helmet. If I select it on my phone here, that image doesn't show up for some reason, but nullify all damage taken on the next mini. If I use it, it's supposed to take my helmet off, but it's not, because something's going wrong. The other reason I don't even think about releasing this is because the back end for it is so messy. Like, I don't know how technical you are, but it uses a WebSocket, which is basically just a midway server that lets Unreal talk to my phone and just send messages back and forth. So I would have to do something about, like, you know, when you start the game up, automatically start those servers and make sure they connect. And I'm kind of lazy, so I don't know. I just lost my train of thought. What am I doing? Oh, I need to look at my output log. That's what I'm doing. Let's see. So, first one is that. Wait, no. Why is it doing it? Why did it print these out in a weird order? Whatever. That is the first one. That is the JSON string that I get from the beginning. The second value is the ID, like I want it. Yep. But then this one is not what I wanted. That should be the number 5. Why is it the ID again? Or unless this is... Wait. Oh, cool. Yeah, I don't... It's really hard to explain technical terms when I don't know how much other people know. Because if I just start talking, it probably just sounds like gibberish to people. But... Are you like me? Are you a hobbyist, or do you actually release games? Yeah. Why? I need to look at this again. So I want to pay attention to what the orange text is. Because I guess I could add a breakpoint, can't I? Add break. Yeah. Let's try it again. Here's my dude. And as always, if you want to see this character be named something else, feel free to put that name in the chat. I will gladly name it something other than Sid. That's cool. I mean, yeah, I've only really heard horror stories of working in AAA. Just doesn't seem like a fun time. Like, I think that's what game dev should be. It should be, you know, fun to create. People like have passion about it, not just, you know, a money printer. So I worked for a toxic company. Well, when I hear toxic game company, there's like 4 different companies that come to mind. But is it like, how can I say this without explicitly saying the name? Because I don't want to get in trouble with that. What letter does the company start with? How about that? A. Okay. Yep. I know exactly which one you're talking about. I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the pain you went through. Yeah. That's understandable. All right. Roll. I rolled a 9. I'm glad no one else is playing with me because I would never get any items. All right. I gotta pay attention. Oh yeah, that's right. I added a breakpoint. Let's see. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. I don't need that. I just need what was printed out. All I'm looking for here. Here we go. And of course the stuff didn't stay on the screen there. Why do you always take me back to the top? Either way, it's not printing out the number that I'm looking for. Hoping to have the co-op working before we release the demo, but we'll see. Sweet, dude. Yeah. Love to see it. Are you releasing on Steam? Are you doing like any like they have like you can do either early access or they have the what do they call it, the play testing thing where you just open and close it every now and then? Or are you doing like a separate page for a beta? Alright, why are you not printing? Wait, let's go. That one. Okay, so I need to stop this. See. So we're doing early access. We're using Steam to distribute builds to test. Yeah, okay. I mean, that seems to be the thing to do right now. It seems like a lot of games that do early access, at least like from the numbers I've seen, early access games do better. People just seem to enjoy like seeing a game as it comes out. What version of Unreal are you in? For this project, I'm using 4.27.2. In future stuff, I am using Unreal Engine 5 for another project, but you'll have to wait till September to hear about that one. So let's take this off. All right, can I just remove it? There we go. Let's set a breakpoint here. Yeah, that will help me figure out my problems, right? Unreal 5 is good. Yeah, I like it a lot. I think it looks a lot more clean than Unreal 4, especially with the no longer needing the content browser all the way up. It's just the content drawer. I love that. My buddy who does a lot of like level design stuff. He really likes the Lumen lighting. He's been playing around with that a lot. Why isn't it updating? Hang on, sorry. There we go. Sorry about that. Play. Game. Oh, you're choppy. There we go. Big scary guy. I don't think I explained this either. The mini games, they're all going to be like little snippets of my friends and my favorite games that we like to play together. So, like, we've got ideas based on like Oblivion. Got one for Ghost of Tsushima. I think of other ideas that have been pitched already, but all the mini games are going to be like little parts of our favorite game. That's another reason why I don't plan on releasing this game, because I'll probably get a lawsuit immediately. They're using it for, oh yeah, absolutely. Lighting can make a huge difference in the aesthetic of a game. Shoot, I don't want to do that. I'm just gonna pass on this one because I already have it. Why didn't my numbers show up that time? That's a bug. That's alright. Part of the process, right? There should be a 0 next to my character's name underneath the health bar to show what number they rolled. But it didn't want to show up this time, apparently. Anywho, use this item. So I get the first print string, which printed out two things. Why did it print out two things here? Neither of which are this value. Okay, we're gonna... Okay, so then that gets printed. Go there. What? Did I press the wrong thing? Yep, he's just keeping going. Ah! Alright, fine. Try this again. I mean, it's kind of a pain in the butt to test this, just because you have to like restart it from the main menu right now. But it could be a lot worse, you know? Like, I'm really glad that the WebSocket connection works in the editor, so I don't have to make a build every time, you know? That would take me ages. Okay. Roll. 24. Not great. Okay, if I use this now. Now I'd already printed out that stuff. I'm guessing that's something, but we say into. Okay, so it prints that. Yep. Not want to do that. Step out. Step into. Okay, this one, step into. Alright, so that one prints out the... Yeah, that prints out the ID correctly. Step into the next one, which is supposed to print out the number. Yeah? No. Wait. This one prints out the ID. I don't know, does nothing. Goes in here. This one goes up here, we print that, and that prints, yeah, so it's printing out nothing for the number. Okay. Let's do something about that. Yeah, I know. So, let's see, where is that value? I'm looking right here. Sorry if that's small for you, but I don't think I can. Can I? No. No, I can't seem to zoom it in at all. I'm sorry. Right here. So it gets this value, right? And then it does... The left string it prints out here is... Oh, wait. Oh. I plugged it into the wrong one. No wonder it printed nothing. All right, one more time. I rolled a 10. I'm doing great tonight. Okay. You. All right. That's all. I just wasn't before. Why did you? My lovely girlfriend says hello, everyone. All right, come on, give me a high roll. High roll. 55. Higher than before, but still pretty low. Okay, there's the item. I use it. I say step into, step over. Wait, you need to be down here. Alright, so printed that out. Currently here. Step into. You didn't print anything yet. You. Yeah, you print out the ID. You print out nothing. Why do you print out nothing? It's in the right one this time. So by the time it gets here, both the left and the right are nothing. So it's gotta be with this one, I guess. Let's see. So it's one of these two that's causing problems, right? The left string here, that's the ID, so that prints out correctly. So then it goes to here. And let me find the original. This one. So after here, after this one, there's a comma, space, and then item num. Let's try that. This one also has a thing and a comma after it. So that's not right. Let's try that. Please work this time. You're okay. She's a little shy. Doesn't want to be seen on camera. I don't know. I don't see people's names. I just see numbers. I'm pretty sure it's just Greg, but I'm not sure. All right, roll. 89. I'll take it. All right. Moment of truth. Okay. Into. Step over. Into. Into. Step into. Damn it. Why doesn't it print out what I want it to? Oh wait, this thing's printing out the same thing. I just realized. Either way, it printed out nothing. Oops. Okay. Alright, we'll put that there, I guess. No, we'll put you here. And then we'll put this one over here. Yeah. Alright, so what the fuck? So... Oh, you know what? Take that one. I need to print out this one, I think. Ugh. So many print statements. Messy. Alright, we need... What is it? After this one, we need this one, yeah. I do this, and then do that, and put... I already put you in there, okay. We'll make this one a darker blue, kind of purplish color. Let's see what it's printing out. I keep saying that I'm gonna finally get done with this forest level, but then 8 things come up and I never get it done. For sure the past 3 streams over the past like 3 months have been like this because I've been out so much, not streaming. I'm so close though. $66. I'll take it. Okay. I'm gonna choose here. Please, 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 please. Well, actually, it's not gonna work. It's just gonna tell me what it's printing out, right? Step into it. That's the full thing. I step over this loop. Step into that. Step into that. That gives me the ID. So this next one, it prints out item num 5. I see. So okay, so I need to get rid of that comma then. Yeah, yeah. So stop. Comma is the issue here. So we have item num. We got a space there. Okay. That's my issue. So let's just remove this breakpoint. See if it works this time. If it doesn't, then I don't know what's going on. Please work. Please work. All I want you to do is work the way I intend for you to work. Roll 68. So close. So close to a good number. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Use the item. Shit. It's still trying to use basic sword. Why is it still trying to use basic sword? Alright. I'm getting annoyed with it. We're gonna take a 5-minute break. Okay? 5 minutes. Go do what you need to do. We'll be back in 5. Thank you for letting me know that. I've been muted this whole time since I came back from the break. Yeah, I heavily do prototyping. That's that's what I do is play around with things until they work. That's what happens. I'm really upset now that my mic was muted that whole time. It's been muted for probably the past half hour. That's alright though. Making progress at least. Let me see. Why isn't this? So I steal the item, yes. And then oh, stealing the item calls unequip. I wonder if I take that off. Will that fix it? Maybe? Here, that works. Do this, that works. Start the game. $57. 89. Damn, player 2 gets it. I got a 94. Holy shit. I have no idea what the second person got because that's a bug. Okay. Now if I use... There we go. Stole the item from him. But... the item doesn't show up on my character anymore. Okay, hang on. Let's see now. Oh, you know what? It's because when I use the item... Because on the player side here... Yeah. Player receive item. Yeah. We'll need to do player receive item, I guess. Ugh. Sorry. Where's my... item dropped. Oh, I didn't want that. I want my forest connection manager. Wherever the hell that went. Oh, I'm in the wrong level. Do force connection manager. So unconnected on event item drop. Here we go. Emit item drop. Okay, where do I... Clear death, take damage, use item, update, equip, okay. Item dropped here. Visibilities, play roll numbers, bind event. Item drop timer. Player no roll, get highest roll. Here we go. Show all inventories. Nope. That's not what I want. Player receive item right here. And then we add a message with the player's ID and the item number. Okay. We can do that. We can do that. So, where is steal item at? Right here. So equips, and then we need to emit. What is it called? No. Connection manager. Hit connection manager. Emit. Yes. This. The event name is... Where'd it go? Player receive item. And the message is to JSON. Isn't it string to JSON? JSON value string? Yeah? No, it's to an array. Let me go back. What am I doing here? What am I doing here? This one. Yeah? No, this one. Yeah, I need this. I'm gonna grab these four, copy them, paste them here, there, move up. All right. So then the ID is the player stealing the item, and then item number. That should fix it. Please fix it. Go back here. Go back to this guy. Okay, group leaders made. Other member. Let's start. And roll the 32. Not great. Other person rolled a 97. They did really good. Oops. All right, so player 1 needs this item. So player 2 is going to pass since I rolled a fucking 12. All right, use. Haha, I got it. It works. Fuck yeah. Alright. That item is done then. Oh, we still have 2 more items. We only got through the one tonight. But the other one's gonna take me like 3 more hours. So we're gonna call it here. And we will, I think, be back next Sunday. Are we doing anything next Sunday? We're not doing anything Sunday. We got the green light. So I'll be back. But hopefully get at least one of those 2 items done next week. And then we'll be one step closer to finishing the forest level. But thank you for coming by. If I don't see you again sooner, I'll see you on Sunday. Later.